Hey guys, Humoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you for your support, thank you for your comments, and thank you for the new subscribers. Welcome and feel at home. Oh my goodness guys, thank you for those ones who watched the previous video. I really love your support. Keep sharing and don't forget to turn on your notification so that you know when I'm popping a video. And don't forget to subscribe guys. You keep forgetting to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe if you love this kind of content. So today's content, you know, this year we had a chance to travel to Mama Africa, especially Kenya, East Africa, Kenya. So we were there with my family. We went for vacation. We went there for 2 months and I loved every moment. So most of you guys have been asking me, Umato Lifestyle, what did you bring for us? So today I am going to unbox what I brought from Mama Africa, what kind of goodies I got for some of you guys who have been my loyal subscribers, okay? You're gonna be sharing some of these goodies. One of the goodies that I have is this jersey that I'm wearing here. As you can tell, this is a Kenyan jersey. It has the Kenya here. Most people love to wear this and I'm like, why not? I'm a Kenyan, okay? I have to have this one kind of jersey right here. I love it. So this is the kind of jersey that I got. I got different colors. Another color that I have is here. This is another color. Look at that. Look at this Kenyan jersey. Beautiful, the material and everything. In here is really good. These usually are sporty jerseys, but most people love to wear them, especially myself. I love to wear t-shirts and any kind of t-shirts, but especially I'm going to represent my country, Kenya. So I have a couple of these for you guys who have been my loyal subscribers. All you have to do, comment below and let me know, Umata, I would love to have one of your jersey. And if I check and I found out that you have been my loyal subscriber, of course I am going to send you one of these jerseys. So I have this color, I have this one, and I have another one, reddish. Most of them are reddish. I have a couple of them, right? So the lucky ones are going to get the jerseys. So this is one of the goodies that I got. And another goodies that I got, you know, in Kenya, we have this culture they call Maasai culture. This is really that represents Kenya. It's like they have been able to keep their culture for so many years, okay? So I went to this Maasai. So you cannot go to Kenya without meeting this culture, this tribe. They call Maasai tribe. Yes, so I had to get one of their symbols, which is this key. I don't know how they call it. They told me a name. Instead, I'm forgetting. I'm forgetting how they call this guy. And for those ones who don't know, girl, did you know that I went to Maasai schools when I was in primary school? Yes, I schooled in Maasai schools. I loved every minute of it. And as you see the Maasai dance like this, even though I'm not a Maasai, I know how to do that because we used to dance in our primary school. We used to do it. So I have to get this Maasai shuka. It's called Maasai shuka to represent the Maasai people. So this one, the way you can use it when you are here in the US, especially you're going to the beach, you can just put this down at the beach and you can just enjoy basking on the beach sun. Or for the, you can do a staycation in your backyard, or you can do a staycation in the park or wherever you go, just a picnic. It's gonna be a really good. It's so huge. I cannot be able to open it, but it's literally so huge. Like, I don't know, 10 people can just sit and eat comfortably on this shuka. So this is some of the shukas. I got a couple of them for my royal fans and for my family. So these are some of the gifts that I got from this. And one of these days I'm gonna do another video to show you how you can wear this thing or use it in a proper way, okay? So I got this one as well. Also, I got another one that represents my Kenyan flag. This one also you can use on the same purpose. You can use it when you go to the beach. You can use it when you are in the house. You can use it in a picnic. you can use it. It has a Kenyan flag. You guys, I know you can't see me, but I'm gonna show you this. So it has a Kenyan flag. So your girl, you can use it in any way that you want, especially in the morning when it's cold here. Sometimes I chill and I throw it like this. And your girl, she's locking herself in this Kenyan beautiful shuka, okay? So these are some of the goodies that I got from Mama Africa Kenya. Again, you can wear it this way if you want to. So I'm gonna be showing you different styles that you can wear this Masai shuka and also this Kenyan flag shuka, okay? And this one is so light and good. I mean, really nice for the beach. Or if you go to the beach, you are wearing a bikini, you don't want to show up your bikini, you can just, you know, put this on top, or you're in the pool and then you get out of the pool and then you can just cover yourself up a little bit, okay? This one's really nice. So another thing that I got from is this one. I don't know how they call this one, but it's a shirt. I got this Kenyan symbol shirts. They call it data. So these are the same. I have medium one, I have small one. This is, I think this is extra large. So these are some of the goodies that I'm gonna gift some of my loyal subscribers. So if you're my loyal subscribers, I'm gonna check how much you've been watching me so that I can gift you these things. When you go to Africa, they're not really pricey, but you can get them from original market. For especially these ones, I got them from Masai market. It's a market in Kenya. No, I got this one from Kariako market. It's also Masai market, but it's in Kariako. So I grabbed them this one from there. They were way cheaper. So I'm gonna be selling some of them and I'm gonna be gifting some of them for you, okay? I might put them in my shop. You know, YouTube has a shop there, so I don't know if I'm gonna activate that shop. I have a shop, but that shop is empty. I'm gonna try to see if I can list some of this in my shop, okay? So these are some of the goodies that I got from Mama Africa Kenya. All right. Also, I got another Masai shuka. This is another type of Masai shuka. It's the same as the other one, but this one is a different color. So I'm gonna be selling this one. So I'm gonna put them, so you choose your color. If you want this color, which is red, let me show you one more time. Guys, I'm messy. You want this color or you want this color? So this is the same thing. So guys, again, I love my car so much. You know, here in America, you have to have a car. A car is like your eggs, okay? So I had to get my steering, my car. Oh, guys, I'm messy. I have to have this American symbol and also Kenyan symbol because I am Kenyan American. So I have to have a steering that says Kenyan, I love Kenya, and also I love America. So whenever I'm gonna put in my car, your girl, she's going to be rocking Kenyan, America, America, Kenyan, Kenyan, America. So I have this and I have a couple of them. If you like to be a Kenyan and if you love Kenya and you love America, I have a couple of them. I think I'm gonna put them on my shop, and a couple of them are going to my royal subscribers. I love it so much. So those are some of the goodies that I have. Also, those ones who love to go to safari, I have a couple of these hats. We got them from Masai market. Look at them. Or in the streets. I think we grabbed them in the streets. You know, they're those ones who can go to Masai market and shop, and those ones who were born in Kenya, you can just go the street and grab them. So I grabbed a couple of these hats. They're really nice when you go to the beach. Really nice. Or when you go for a safari. Guys, I'm gonna put a video of my safari. I don't think I've uploaded a video of myself where we went to a safari to see the animals, okay? So this is one of them, and I love it so much. So one of your lucky my royal subscribers is going to have this. This is a Karibu Kenya, welcome Kenya, okay? And they have the flag of Kenya right here. So these are some of the goodies that I got. Let me see. Also, I I got some keychains, guys. This one I'm gonna give them my co-workers. Some of them are already getting this one. And I have so many keychains. And I have this one that has the map of Kenya. So I have all these kind of keychains. And also I have this keychain which is so special for me. These keychains, I went to Mombasa. As you know, Mombasa, there's so many beaches. So we had an opportunity to go to this Diani beach, which is the beach, the famous beach in the whole world. Like if you go to Kenya and you want to go to the beach, if you have not gone to Diani beach, girl, you have not gone to any beach. Diani beach is this amazing beach with the white sands. So we go there to Diani, and there are these beach boys there. They have this they come to you and they're like, oh, we can make this your name. So you tell them your name and they go, these are the horns of elephants. So like originally elephant horns, and they write your name there. So they wrote my name there. This is my keychain. They wrote for my family as well. And also I'm gonna give them to my friends. Okay, they can, anything you tell them to write here, they are going to do it. So I told them, hey, why don't you write my name? And they tell you what kind of animal you like. You like an elephant? Like this one is an alligator. I told them I love alligator. Alligator, and they get these symbols an alligator and they put my name here. So Kenyan people are amazing. I love it so much. Very creative, talented people. So these beach boys made me this, and I love it so much. And I have a couple of keychains that I'm gonna gift some of y'all, my royal subscribers. So those are the keychains. And also, guys, I feel like I'm talking so much and I'm sweating, okay? So also, I love these bracelets. I have so many. I got this one with the American. This one has the American and Kenyan together because I'm an Kenyan American. And also I have this one Kenyan, and I have a bunch of them. I have these small ones here. This is another keychain here, amazing. And I have these bracelets here, right here. I have a bunch of them that I'm gonna send it to some of y'all, or some of them I think I'm gonna put them in the shop. The way you put this, you just open it. Let me see, it's just easy. I have to untie it here. So you just put them on your bracelets. It's like this one here. And you put them. And also I have another one here. I have this kind. This also is a bracelet. You just put here and snap it. Let me see if I can snap it quick. And your girl, she has all these bracelets from Kenya. What do you think, guys, so far? My goodness, let me know. And if you want this one, comment below so I can send you one. Or you can find them in Omoto shop, which I'm going to create because there's so many, okay? Also, we have these chains. This one, they made it from shells, okay? These shells, actually, they collect them from the beach. As you know, Kenya has a lot of beaches. So they collect these shells from the beach and they go ahead and make you these bracelets. You can wear it here, you know, as a fancy girl. Sometimes I like to wear them that way, or you can wear them like this, okay? So it's you to choose which way you want to wear them, but I'm gonna wear it right now this way. And also I have a lot of them. Also they're this kind of chains as well. This one you can open here and also wear it on your neck. Let me see if I can snap it quick because I don't want this video to be long, okay? Let me see if your girl gonna be able to do it, something, because I can't see, but it's something that you can snap it yourself, literally so quick. So don't worry, I'm gonna be showing you how to do this. But this one, you literally wear this one like this, and it's a symbol of elephant toe. Literally so nice. And I have this one that has a giraffe, like this one is a giraffe. Oh, this is a horn. This one also is a chain you wear here. This one is a giraffe, the giraffe. And this one is a horn. Look at them. These are all chains, and I have a couple of them for my royal subscribers. Hey, I love it. And I have, of course, more chains here. And another one, I have these horns, different types. You have a white one chain, and you have kind of brownish one. And they're really nice chains. Guys, I love these Kenyan goodies. Also, I have these bracelets. I have a couple of them. I love this one. Look at it. Look at these bracelets, guys. Oh my goodness. It can really match with any outfit. Look at it. Look at your girl. This is what I got from Mama Africa Kenya. Guys, I'm rushing because I don't want this video to be long. Also, I got this basket. Look what I got. This one. This basket here. Look at these little baskets. You should use this to put on whatever decorations you want, or in your kitchen, or whatever you want to put here, or you can use it as a decoration on your wall. For me, I'm gonna use these ones on my wall because I'm gonna make like there's a wall in my living room, which I'm gonna be showing you that I'm going to decorate, and I'm going to use these things. I got a bunch of them. This one, I think they look like, I think this one look like, I have another one here. So I have all different kinds of these ones that I'm gonna use to decorate my wall. Wow, so all these are goodies that I got from Mama Africa. I have more, but I'm gonna show you a couple. Remember, I made a video that we went to the beach. So when we went to the beach, guys, we had some shells. We collected shells. We have a lot of shells. So we collected this kind of shells. This one, literally, you can find it in the beach. Oh, it's spilling sand. It still have the sand. You know, the beach is part of the Indian Ocean. It's Indian Ocean, so we collected this kind of shells. I love them. That I'm gonna make decorations in my home. All these kinds of shells. Look at them. We got this from literally from the beach. You know, when the beach is moving this way, and when it goes that way, he leaves all these things behind, and you collect them. I collected a lot of them. They are different sizes and shapes, and I'm gonna use this to decorate my house. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put them in a vase or in a bottle somewhere. Guys, they're just literally with the sand. Oh my goodness. And it's a lot. I have these bags and bags. So I'm gonna use this to decorate my house. So these are some of the goodies that I got from Mama Africa Kenya. So I'm gonna put them here. One of the things that I got, I'm so proud of, and this one, my mama gave it to me. Look at this. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. You know, in Africa, this thing, if you are from my tribe, when a lady is married, and the people from the lady's family, they cook food, usually brown ugali, we call it brown ugali or brown fufu, is a finger millet flour, and they make it into a dough, and they put it in here, and they cover it with leaves, and they put it in their head like this. Oh my goodness, I wish this can be a thumbnail. Let me see. They put it in the head like this, and they go to the girls, to the man's home to bring the fufu. So it's a traditional thing, but I thought it was a good thing to bring so that I can decorate my house with it. What do you think, guys? Comment below with this girl. Comment below, let me know what you think about this. So you can carry it this way, or you can carry it in your head, you know. Your girl is crazy. I know this video is gonna be long, but hey, I had to tell you what I got from Mama Africa Kenya. Guys, let me move my chair so that you can see me. So those are some of the goodies. There's so many, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what I got from Mama Africa Kenya, so that I can show you, like, actually I was in Kenya, and some of you are going to benefit from this trip. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Wow, go ahead and subscribe so that you can see these authentic videos from here to you guys. Guys, there's a lot to do, there's a lot to show you, but I'm gonna be showing you little by little as we keep moving on with this video. Okay guys, from my home, Mama Africa, now I'm in the US, of course, to you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.